Hey guys, so today we are going to learn how to promote your content or store on YAYSHOP. So after opening the app, you go to promote, and in promote you have different options, right? You select suppose business card. You have various themes on which you can use your business card as. So suppose I select this one. I just have to click on generate and share. It'll give me options. I selected WhatsApp and I could just simply send my business card or other things to WhatsApp. Apart from using the business card, you have a lot of different templates also, like these ones. You have them in different fonts, different colors, and different photos are there. You don't have to do anything, you just have to select any image and click on generate and share. There are so many different templates and it will create personalized template for your store. For festivals also there are a lot of new templates that keep on coming. You can also generate and share the posters on Instagram, like here I am making a post out of it. I have selected my effects and even chosen the caption. At this portion I can tag other people, add the location, and also post it on Facebook at the same time. Here, once it's finished up, look, my new post is ready. And the best part is I had to use minimum efforts on it. My second post has been updated and I also want to add a website on the profile. So what I'll do is I'll go back to my main page. I'll copy the website and then I'll paste it. On Instagram, I edited the profile, inserted the address, and I saved OK. Now anyone who comes to my profile can directly go to the website and order stuff for themselves. There is one final amazing way in which YAYSHOP can help you out to promote your products. So if you have many local customers, you can have your promotion in multiple languages. For example, if you go to storefront setting and change the sharing language to whatever your language is, suppose mine is Marathi, so I go to Marathi, I go back again, and then if I want to share my anything, suppose the website, so if I click share WhatsApp and I share it on WhatsApp, so the new message that is going to come in Marathi, and it's going to help you in all other languages. For sticking until now, here are a few bonus tricks that you can use to boost your marketing. First is using coupons. From here, go to coupons and then select if you want fixed or percentage, write in your details and create your coupons. Coupons are a great way to bring in and pull people, so make sure you use this strategy. Trick number 2 is using reviews. So as you can see, I have 0 reviews, which is a very bad idea. So I'm going to invite more people and ask them to rate Momohan. Reviews bring in great credibility to your product. So don't forget to add in and ask people to fill the reviews. This video is coming to a wrap. Thank you. Bye.